Welcome to a new chapter in India's infrastructure development. The National Highways Authority of India, in collaboration with Dilip Bilkon Limited, is proud to announce the approval of a transformative project. Improvement Project stands as a testament to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi vision of world-class national highways across India. The current THOPPUR GHAT section has long been a challenging stretch for commuters and transporters alike. The steep gradients and sharp curves have led to numerous accidents, particularly involving heavy vehicles. Traffic congestion is a daily reality, causing delays, increased fuel consumption, and economic losses. For years, the people of Dharmapuri and Salem districts have faced these challenges, with the winding GHAT road becoming a bottleneck in the vital north-south connectivity of Tamil Nadu. Responding to the requests from local communities and the Tamil Nadu state government, this ambitious project will transform the existing 4-lane highway into a modern 6-lane corridor. Complemented by a 3.5-kilometer service road on both sides in built-up areas. With a project cost of 548 crore rupees and a completion timeline of 3 years, this initiative represents a significant investment in the region's infrastructure and future. The improved alignment and reduced gradient will significantly enhance safety, addressing the primary concern of accidents in this section. Heavy trucks and long vehicles will navigate the stretch with ease, improving transportation efficiency. Will benefit from reduced fuel consumption and travel time, leading to economic savings and environmental benefits. As a major connector between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka and the north-south corridor of Tamil Nadu, this improvement will boost industrial productivity and facilitate development in Dharmapuri, Krishnagiri and Salem districts. It will also enhance connectivity to SALEM and Bangalore airports, as well as to Tuticorin Port. The project incorporates numerous features for safety and convenience. 1. Highway lighting in built-up areas and grade-separated structures. 2. Two-bus lay-bys with shelters in the built-up area. 3. Comprehensive road signage and caution indicators at regular intervals for service roads on both sides in built-up areas. 5. Crash barriers on both median and shoulder sides. 6. Grade-separated structures where required. 7. Development of major and minor junctions throughout the project. 8. Advanced traffic management system across the entire stretch. This project will have far-reaching impacts beyond transportation. It will boost tourism, agriculture, and industrial sectors in both Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, generating employment opportunities and driving socio-economic development in the region.